everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and today in the garden we are building a hoop house for my peppers because I'm going to overwinter them outside. Those peppers are right there behind me, and Poppy is about to start slamming some rebar into the ground so we can put some PVC on top of it. So let's get started. What do you think?
Yeah, it's moving fine.
There's the frame, and I'm not going to put the plastic on it yet because it's not cold enough yet. We don't get a freeze probably till mid-December, but when we do, a couple weeks before maybe, I will take all the leaves off of these pepper plants and kind of make them nubs, and they will sit underneath that and be protected all winter long so that when spring comes, I don't have to replant those types of peppers. I might plant, in fact, I'm thinking about planting more peppers in that bed and just making it the permanent pepper bed. Anyhow, that's how we're going to protect those peppers this winter. We'll see how it works. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?